This is this is Ayu. Ayu is from Janabai. Izati is from Janabai. You just go down like that. Just go down like that. So it shows that there's water punya seepage. And I was lucky that morning I used to go. Cry atau selawat. Come waving.
Besar! Tengok dekat dah sini. Bumi sini. Mana nampak?
Asing.
Oh, besar! Kenapa ni?
Pakai.
Ikan patin.
You pakai scoop.
Ini ikan apa?
Ini ikan patin juga.
Datanglah bercuti di 64 kan.
Oh, thank you, YB.
Harga boleh lihat tiket.
YB ni harga.
I tak makan ulam, I makan ulam raja je. You makan.
Ya ke?
Ni pucuk apa? Asam glugok.
Asam glugok.
Pucuk asam glugok.
Ya.
Saya tak makan, Tan Sri yang makan. Ini adalah bunga raya. Bunga kebangsaan kita. Bunga Malaysia. Cantik, lama tak tengok. Bunga raya. Oh, so you ada sungai juga, ada river.
Ya.
Nice.
That's the pickleball court. This is another this
Juga
field.
eh.
Right, toilet is outside. But
Sharing.
It's all aircon and
So we going cabin?
this way. Yeah.
Oh.
That's just the pickleball court.
Oh, okay. Wow, ada pickleball court, okay. Kat dalam ni. Kat sana.
Pink and white. This way, YB.
Here.
I'll
Oh,
tunjuk.
kat sini je keluar dia. Welcome to the Ferns Arcade. Okay, you all yang tengok ni, jangan lupa datang bercuti ke Kampung Janda Baik dan bercutilah di 54 Ferns, chalet di resort ataupun homestay.
Homestay, yeah.
Ada pelbagai jenis, bentuk dan rupa dan pemandangan. Nice.
Because I don't allow smoking in the room, so they stay outside.
Dia can smoke outside lah. Weekend full ke?
Weekends nowadays it used to be okay. This one I must show you what. Noni, Noni, come. Let's go to Noni.
Jom tengok. Nice.
So you can take 6.
Cuma oh.
Look at this. Voila.
So beautiful.
Where can you get that?
Oh, nice.
Careful, yeah, baby.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So nice.
Welcome. Wow. Can sit ah.
Can.
Cantik lah. This
So when are you
old.
going to come and stay here?
I don't know. Maybe one day.
Please, I'll be very honored.
Tansi, buatlah balik.
Itulah because
This is nice but sayang lah.
the problem is
Yeah.
kita punya local don't use it. It's only the foreigners. The foreigners
No.
come here.
I like to do this.
Dia ambil kerusi, dia duduk sana baca buku.
Yeah, it's nice. Buatlah sayang.
Yeah, how will you do it? You come here, I do it for you.
Ben, then you do this first.
Okay.
Then we
I'll
come.
do it then I take a picture and send it to you.
Yes, please.
Okay, alright.
Wow.
Then any YB will come. Nice, yeah?
Semua nice. Toilet dekat luar lah. Come there, you sit here and then we take photo. Dari tengok pandang belakang, pandang belakang. Jangan pandang belakang.
Jangan pandang belakang.
Dia punya belakang tu best. This one how much?
This one is 500.
500 for
6. So it comes to about 100.
okay lah. Same ah? All the room same?
All the same.
All 6 specs?
Look at this. YB.
Mom?
Here, if you are lucky.
Yeah. Do what? Oh wow! Come.
But if you are unlucky, you stand there and don't get up.
Wow, so big. Durian kampung?
No, this is D24.
Ada durian tapi belum masak lagi lah sebab
Belum
tak jatuh
masak.
lagi.
And,
Tapi besar tu,
yeah.
besar. Ah.
This one would normally, before masak, dah habis.
Baik tupai?
Tupai.
Ya. Tupai lah, monyet lah.
Betul. You're very
Itulah
correct.
rezeki dia.
Because you come here, kan? So we feed them.
Yeah. The monkeys. Kalau you shower, the monkeys kan mengintai you lah. Dia akan mengintai you. See?
Look at that.
See, tengok tuan-tuan ni tempat shower. Lepas tu river. Tapi kalau nak mandi malam tu agak okey ah.
I name it after my mother, late mother.
Alhamdulillah.
Good to see you.
Why
Yes.
ah?
Come, I'll show you.
Dekat
Sudah buat dah. Masih. Kunci kat.
mana? Dari mana? Ah, Indonesia mana? Oh, Jatim. Ah, cantik. Tengok dia punya penjabatan dia.
Look at the
Kreatif.
roof, ah.
Ya. Cantik lah. Orang foto? Ya, come, Taslim, come.
Yeah, very nice to everybody. Duduk sini, you dengar.
I love river. I mean like,
You should bring your parents to stay here for a night.
maybe. Ya.
Yeah.
Tapi ni gambar seorang. Nampak tak the river? Together with me. Sekarang kita nak tengok rumah ni pula. Come.
Sarang burung.
Rumah sarang burung.
This is duplex.
Okay. Duplex jangan main. Nice. Oh, I suka yang tu.
Ya tu. Kan juga sungai. Main sungai.
There. Sihat. Duduk sini ke? Kita pergi dah.
Come, go up here. Come, this used to be my original house.
Ah ya. Cantik pun dia. Nice. That one sama juga.
There's a cafe.
Atas tu.
That used to be my master bedroom.
Okay, then
That used to be my children's room.
you buat apa? Cafe.
Now it becomes, I rent it out,
Aha.
and the cafe is for the public.
Oh, for public. Oh, just for the
Yeah.
cantik. Lagi, it's okay what?
I'm going to go up with you.
No.
This is my cafe.
Ah.
The cafe can take about 70 people.
It's open?
It is open.
Like what?
It is open for dinner
Every day?
every day. Yeah.
For dinner?
For dinner, for lunch. Come
Wait,
hantar
oh.
bukan kat sini.
Hai. Cantik. Nice ni kafe cakap rumah.
YB datang awak nak jemput.
Kenapa? Dari mana?
They are so excited.
Why? Awak dari mana?
Saya dari Medan.
Medan. Ada balik tak? Tan Sri tak bagi balik ke? Belum lagi. Cakap pada macam orang ni. Tapi orang Medan dekat je Medan. Boleh balik bila-bila.
5 minit je. Fly kan?
Flight. Ni siapa lagi? Hai. Ini dari mana? Assalamualaikum. Ini dari mana? Tak apa.
Dari Jember.
Jember. Jawa Timur. Ini?
Gresik Timur.
Timur juga ini?
Sama.
Oh, Jawa Timur. Seorang je dari Medan.
Ada 3 orang.
Ada 3 orang. Dah lama dah di sini? Lama dah? Oh, okey.
Dia Safia lama. She started with me 2015.
Oh ya?
2015. Dengan
Bagusnya.
sampai sekarang. She just went
Oh, okey lah.
for umrah, both of them.
Oh, you
Send them for
you send them to umrah.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Right.
After serving for 5 years, then she go.
Alhamdulillah. Kecil elok. Tan Sri baik
Depan saya. Kalau belakang saya.
Kerja baik-baik Teman. Oh iya. Ya sini. Nanti keluar YouTube juga. Dari Medan, dari Jawa Timur. Jawa Timur dan Medan. Di Janda Baik. Mereka bekerja di sini dari tahun, dah berapa tahun kerja sini? 5 tahun, 6 tahun, 10 tahun pun ada. Tengok, orang Malaysia jaga orang Jawa Timur baik-baik. Okey, baik Ya. Oh, Why?
Saya letak macam ni kan, hanging.
ya. Nice.
Next time you come, rambutan will be ripen.
Oh, good. Ni kita nak pergi mana pula naik pagi
Naik
ni?
atas, yeah, we can go up the pagi.
Oh, okay. This one I nak.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
Ini yang ada tadi ada apa tengah? Tak.
Someone
Yeah.
is in the
Here. Korang naik sini.
I'll sit in front.
Okay.
Dan naik atas. Oh, fotografer kita kat depan je.
You punya ni?
This is the spa.
Oh, you ada spa?
From Kayu Manis, but by appointment they will come from Shah Alam.
Okay.
This is my Garret 54. Garret 54 is a coffee shop. Open on weekends. Yeah, where we serve tea.
Banyak pokok kan sini. Oh, tapi semuanya yang I mean like bagi manfaat lah. Hijau lah, herbal.
Herbal, and then it gives out oxygen.
Yeah, very good.
You must see the view from here.
That one?
Mana? This one I want to show you. So if you want to have a seminar, you want to have a brainstorming, you want to have an event, you're most welcome.
Oh, how many packs?
I think 70 usually.
70.
70 to 80. We have got 80 punya facilities.
Huh.
We've got a small library. So this room can be divided into two. That's montong durian.
Oh ya?
Tapi belum masak lagi.
Montong besar lah. Nice lah. Ada orang kahwin juga lah sini.
So far, Kalway, we have rejected quite a few because of parking facilities.
okay.
The road is not very conducive.
Ada engagement, tunang.
Engagement,
Tonight.
This one I was in Malaysia.
Oh, you pernah?
Yeah,
Oh, I
so
thought
for
you
6
I thought you
years.
apa archive apa.
Then when I retired, they wanted to hold a dinner for me. I said, tak payah lah, dinner buang duit. So I said, they said, what shall we give you? I said, only presents. If you have, we got a bigger storeroom. Ada ni.
And then you asking for this. Pusing depan.
This one from Dapur.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, this is 1928.
Wah, selama ni.
Yeah.
I think dekat mana ada Bukit dekat ni
Ada old post office ada.
Raub tu apa?
Rauk.
Taman apa Raub apa tu yang selain Cameron tu orang panggil apa?
Tapa. Bukan.
Ha? Fraser Hill.
Fraser Hill ada.
Ya, kan?
Yeah.
Oh,
So they gave me this one.
nice.
They gave me a bicycle.
Yeah,
A postman bicycle
nice.
as a present.
Cool.
Yeah, thank you. So down here I've got 12 units. Plus at 113. Up there I've got 7 units. Cabin I've got 5 units. So 25.
Dia jumpa katak besar gila. Oh my god. Besarnya. Ya, katak puru.
Small blending nature. Every single building here, I designed it.
All yours.
All my idea. And I design with no formal drawing. It's just I take a piece of paper. I call the contractor.
Then whatever come out, you terus draw.
Right. And
Wow.
I try to do eco fit in between the trees. And every single plant that's planted here. This is by Hakimi.
Kari
Oh, kari
kambing.
Yang Hakimi ni mana?
Oh, kari tetel. Kari tetel. Kari tetel.
Dia.
Kari kambing.
Then
Wow, kakak. Kakak masak ke? Ha.
dia masak betul lah masak.
Ikan apa ni kakak?
Goreng. Ini ikan tilapia.
Goreng
Mana
saja.
Dilawatnya tengah goreng.
Nak goreng okey sini bagi ya.
Oke.
Then sayur
Ulam.
ulam. Sambal merah, sambal hijau, sambal
Ah,
lacan.
biru ada? Sambal biru ada?
Sambal hitam.
Baju putih.
Jom jemput makan di 54 Ferns di Kampung Janda Baik, Bentong, Pahang. Oh, itu ikan jelawatnya. Hai, sekarang kita makan malam di 54 Ferns. Ni ikan jelawat, ni ikan tilapia. So kita ada majlis, tak adalah, ada sesi santai makan malam bersama dengan Tan Sri Kamel dan orang kampung di 54 Ferns. Jumpa makan.